you just did is highly illegal. I'm taking down your tag number. If your car is ever damaged, we will not pay for it. Tailgating is not allowed. Do you live in here or are you a visitor? I am the property manager. If you do that, answer me, I'm calling the police.
I did what?
I'm calling the police right now. Are you a resident or a visitor?
I'm a visitor.
Okay, I'm calling the police. You tailgated, that's illegal, that's wrong. You do know you have to enter a code. You do know you just ran the risk of those gates closing on your vehicle. And you almost rear-ended me.
No, I didn't.
Ma'am, you got pretty dang close.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on.
I'm the association manager. You're here with put on notice. Do not tailgate again. Okay, I'd like to know who you're going to go visit.
I'm sorry. Is that any of your business?
Yes, it is. You are now on private property, and I have a right to ask where you're going. You did not enter an ID at the gate. This is for residents and or their gates who they have let in. Okay,
Hold on.
We'll do it simple.
No, it's okay. Let me talk to my father about this.
Well, you said you were busy.
Daddy,
Yeah.
this lady, okay, so I'm coming to grandma's house, and this lady says I was tailgating her because the cars were going inside of the gate, and so I sped up to make it inside of the gate, and now she's taking a picture of my tag, and she says she's going to call the police, and now she's asking who I'm coming to see, and I have it all on DASHCAM.
Oh, you don't have to tell her anything.
Can I leave?
Yes.
Okay.
You gotta tell her nothing.
Okay.
She says she's the property manager or some whatever.
Wow.
Go. He's laughing.
No, ano ba yun?
Putang ina! Jesus! There's 2 lanes there and I have a dash cam.
Okay, go ahead.
So pull over, get your information around here.